Introduction. The large intestine, also known as the colon, is an integral part of the digestive system. It plays a crucial role in the absorption of water, electrolytes, and vitamins, as well as the formation and elimination of feces. Understanding the embryonic development, gross anatomy, microscopic anatomy, specialized cells, function, motility patterns, and innervation of the large intestine is essential for comprehending its physiological and pathological aspects. In this script, we will explore these topics in detail, shedding light on the complexities of histology and its significance in relation to the large intestine. During embryonic development, the large intestine arises from the hindgut region of the primitive gut tube. Around the 6th week of gestation, the hindgut starts to dilate to form the future colon. By the 8th week, the colon is distinguishable from the small intestine due to its larger diameter. Over the following weeks, the colon continues to elongate and undergoes further differentiation into distinct segments, including the cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, and rectum. This intricate process of embryonic development ensures the formation of a functional and interconnected large intestine. The colon, the longest part of the large intestine, measures around 1.5 meters in length. It consists of several unique anatomical features that contribute to its overall function. The colon can be divided into 4 main regions: the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. It is supported by a mesentery called the mesocolon, which allows for mobility and flexibility. The colon's distinctive features also include haustra, sac-like pouches that facilitate the mixing and propulsion of fecal matter, and Taeniae coli, 3 longitudinal bands of smooth muscle responsible for the colon's characteristic puckering appearance. Summarize in 42 words. The large intestine has specialized structures at the microscopic level, such as the crypts of Lieber-Kuhn. These crypts are lined with cells that absorb and protect. The colon also has lymphoid tissue for immune functions and smooth muscle layers for movement. The large intestine has specialized cells that serve important functions. Goblet cells secrete mucus to lubricate fecal matter and aid its movement. Enteroendocrine cells release hormones like serotonin and peptide G to regulate motility and water absorption. Immune cells in the colon help maintain intestinal balance and fight off pathogens. The crypts of Lieber-Kuhn in the large intestine are important for absorption and secretion. Each crypt has dividing stem cells and different types of cells, including enterocytes for absorption, goblet cells for mucus production, and enteroendocrine cells for hormone release. These cells work together to efficiently absorb and secrete in the colon. Intestinal glands, also known as colonic glands or crypts, are embedded within the mucosal layer of the large intestine. These glands are structurally similar to crypts of Lieber-Kuhn and play important roles in colonic function. They extend deep into the lamina propria and contain stem cells that continuously replenish the epithelial lining. The glands secrete mucus, antimicrobial peptides, and other factors that provide protection against pathogens and maintain the integrity of the colonic mucosa. Additionally, intestinal glands contribute to the absorption of water, electrolytes, and nutrients, ensuring the proper functioning of the colon. While the small intestine is primarily responsible for nutrient absorption, the colon also exhibits absorptive capabilities. The absorption of water, electrolytes, and certain vitamins, such as vitamin K and biotin, is facilitated by the large intestine. Water absorption is particularly significant in the colon, as it contributes to the formation of well-formed feces. The colon employs various mechanisms, including active transport, passive diffusion, and solvent drag, to accomplish the absorption process. The efficient absorption of water and electrolytes in the colon is crucial for maintaining fluid balance within the body. The large intestine, specifically the colon, has specific movement patterns that help push waste towards the rectum. These patterns include haustration, which creates haustra and aids in mixing and absorption. Mixing movements called tandem contractions occur between segments of the colon, further mixing feces. Propulsive movements like peristalsis and mass movements push feces along the colon towards the rectum for elimination. The colon is innervated by the autonomic and enteric nervous systems. Parasympathetic innervation is provided by the vagus nerve and pelvic splanchnic nerves, stimulating colonic motility and blood flow. Sympathetic innervation is supplied by thoracic and lumbar splanchnic nerves, promoting muscle relaxation and reducing blood flow. The enteric nervous system coordinates colonic motility and secretion, with local control through intricate neuronal networks. The colon is supplied with blood through a network of arteries. The superior mesenteric artery supplies the ascending and transverse colon, while the inferior mesenteric artery provides blood to the remaining colon. Veins drain blood into the portal venous system, and lymphatic drainage helps remove waste and defend against pathogens. In the large intestine, there is a community of microorganisms called the microbiota that helps keep the colon healthy. This community includes bacteria, fungi, viruses, and protozoa. They help break down undigested carbohydrates, produce energy for cells, protect against diseases, and contribute to overall colon health. Imbalances in this community can lead to colon-related diseases. The large intestine can be affected by various diseases, including inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, diverticular disease, colorectal cancer, and polyps. IBD causes chronic inflammation in the colon, leading to symptoms like diarrhea and abdominal pain. Diverticular disease causes pouches in the colon wall, causing abdominal pain and changes in bowel habits. Colorectal cancer develops from precancerous polyps, and early detection is crucial for better outcomes. The large intestine is a crucial organ involved in digestion and waste elimination. Its complex structure and functions, including cell types, absorption mechanisms, and innervation, impact our overall health. Studying its microscopic anatomy and the role of bacteria helps us understand colon diseases and improve their management.